Hi, this is Ron with Cruising This Old Boat, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the unit of measurements on your Garmin GPSMap 1243 XSV. To adjust the unit of measurements on your Garmin GPSMap 1243, the first thing you want to do is touch the home button, and you'll see this settings button appear on the right hand side. When you see that appear, go ahead and touch that, and it brings up a list of things you can do. You want to touch the preferences button. That brings up the next list, and you want to touch the units button. At the very top of the list is the system units, and this is where you change how you want your unit of measurement displayed. So touch that button, and you have some choices. You can choose statute, metric, nautical, or custom. If you want to change it to the statute system, just press statute, and then you can press the close button. It now displays your GPS speed as miles per hour. Now the depth stayed the same because I was in nautical, and both nautical and statute shows depth in feet. But this is universal. When you make this change, it changes all the different types of measurements across the board on your chart. So we can try that again. We'll go to home, press settings, preferences, units, system units, and just to show you, we'll press the metric button, close it out, and you see now the depth is in meters instead of feet. Your speed is in kilometers per hour. So any type of measurement that would be affected by switching to metric has now been changed. Now what happens if you want, let's say, your depth to be in meters, but you want your speed to be in knots? Then press the home, settings, preferences, units, system units, and this is where you would use the custom. So if you press the custom, then you see you have an option of each individual thing. So you could put your depth in meters, but you could put your speed if you press the speed button, and you could choose the vessel speed. You see it's currently in kilometers per hour. You could change that to knots, and now your depth is displayed in meters, but your speed is in knots. So if you want to individualize it, you use the custom. If you're happy with everything either being the American system or the metric system or nautical system, which would be knots, then you can just press that one button and it changes everything across the board. That's all there is to it.